Hello, welcome to my another new video of mine. Today I will teach you how to make a sunset painting. First of all, I will tell you the colors we need. First, we need blue color and black color first. First we will use blue color to make the sky. Below that we will use aqua blue color. Then we will add shades of yellow color in it, and above that we will use orange color. Now we will shade below that with orange color, and at the same time we will use yellow color in it, and we will also give shades of pink color, and black color will be used to make the mountain. Along with this we will give shade with purple color line by line like this. Black color will be used to the mountains. Mountains were created. In this way, mountains will be made from black color in places. In this way, the mountains have been formed. Now, we will make water in the middle with aqua blue color. The black color will shade the mountain and also shade the water. Now in the middle of these mountains, we will use orange color like this. We will use a little yellow color on the sky. This way, the mountain will be highlighted. Along with this pink color, we will also use the same shade will be give blow on the water. Now draw a line above the mountain with white color. Now white color will also be used below in the water. We will make sun with white color. Now we will make the shade line under the sun with white color like this. Now we will make lights on the mountain with white color, and we will make small ones everywhere with the same white color. Now we will shade the mountain with yellow color and make a line like this. Now we will make small stones with yellow color. We will make small stones with yellow color. We will make small stones in places. We will also give shade with pink color on the stone. Now we will shade the water with white color, and with the same color we will also shade the sky. We will make a line in the center of the sun with yellow color. After that we will make stars with white color. To make a star, you will take white color in this way and shade it all over the stars with the help of your fingers. So as soon as this painting is ready, tell me how you like it. Subscribe to my channel, like and share, please. Thank you.